Hey y'all, welcome back to George Cooking for the Soul. Today, I'm gonna make baked cauliflower. First, I'm gonna boil it in some water, get it good and tender. In some salt water. I put a teaspoon of salt in the water. I got it over on the stove, heating up now. But once I take it out, I'm gonna drain it, and then I'm gonna add, before I put it in the oven, I'm gonna add some seasoned salt, complete seasoning, garlic and herb seasoning, and black pepper to season it up. Right now, I'm just gonna cut it so I can get to the florets. And then I'm gonna wash it real good. And then I put it over there on the, take it to the stove and let it boil. Let it tender up. Hope everybody's doing good today. Y'all are still trying to eat some healthy food. I know all of it that I eat is not going to be healthy, but I want to eat some of it. I got my strain over there. I could just get to see it better. I like to cut my florets in half. I don't like them too thick. Get a little healthy every now and then. It's good for everybody. I done ate unhealthy so much. It's time for me to eat some of my food healthy. Okay, now I'm going to take this over to the sink. And I'm going to wash it. I got some kind of big in here. I'm going to cut them in half again. Okay, I'm going to wash them. Then I'm going to put them over here in the water. Okay, we're just gonna drop it in. And once they tender up, I will put them on a baking sheet and bake them. Then I bake them. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I have spread it out here on this cookie sheet. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of. I'm not gonna put in the Laura seasoned salt. I'm just gonna put complete seasoning and some garlic and herb and black pepper. Cause I don't want to get them too salty. Cause I did salt the water. Put some black pepper now. Just gonna let it cook a little bit. Brown in the oven. And I'll be back. Okay, you all, it's ready. What I did, I put some, I'm about to drop it, some red hot chili sauce on it. Now I'll give it a try. Oh, that's good. That hot chili sauce did the trick. This is good, y'all. When you're baking your cauliflower, make sure you just let your cauliflower boil till it get tender just a little bit. You don't want them tender all the way. Then when you put them in the oven, they're gonna finish cooking, and they're brown, just as brown as you want them to be. Just if you want to, you could make sure you grease the bottom of your pan. That's all you got to do. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And after watching the channel, you like it, give me a thumbs up, okay? I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.